Today we are making a homemade lemonade that tastes just like the ones from the mall. For your ingredients, you will need 7 large lemons, 1 3/4 cup sugar, and 8 cups of water. Dissolve 1 3/4 cup sugar in 1 cup of boiling water. Remove from heat to cool to room temp, then chill for 2 hours. After you bring it to room temp, you can put it in the freezer to cool faster, just don't freeze. Slice a lemon to garnish. Juice 6 large lemons. Add fresh lemon juice to 7 cups cold water. Add chilled simple syrup.